Hello everybody, I'm Ilan Goudsmit, work at Endeit Capital for over 5 years. And I'm here to tell you the story a bit about Endeit Capital and about myself. So I was before an entrepreneur working at a company called Club Judge, an international media company. And there I really got to experience how to work with tight budgets, making fire and hire decisions, what product features to really develop and which one not. It was really a nice environment to scale company and also the tough decisions working with like really financial tight budgets. There I scaled the company from 9 to over 50 people, hired a lot of people obviously, but also raised some money and made mistakes that hopefully you're not going to make. And then I switched to the other side at Endeit Capital where I wanted to use my learnings. Endeit Capital is really a truly entrepreneurial kind of team. It was founded by Hubert Dijtmers and backing of Joop van den Ende. Hubert Dijtmers and Martijn Hamann, another of my colleagues, they were at Animal responsible for the buy and build since 1996, when it was just a tiny television production company in the Benelux. They scaled it over to a global powerhouse, making it the biggest international media television production company in the world. How they did that? They acquired over 50 to 60 companies in gaming, mobile, internet and television production company and really made it a truly scalable powerhouse. And that learnings they wanted to use to make the next big entrepreneurs in Europe. So with the money of Joop van den Ende, one of the founders, we set up a fund in 2006. And since then we managing like around 275 million euros. And we invest in over 24 companies in Europe, mostly in the Netherlands, in Germany, in the UK and Belgium. And with that money, we scaled a lot of the companies and made them into or European or international number 1 or number 2 players. And this is really our goal. Once we back you, we really are involved in your company to make it into a success. So how do we do that? So first of all, we spend a lot of time with our portfolio companies. We only do 2 to 3 deals a year. We're with a team of 5 investment people, so we have proper time to spend with you. We just want to build up a portfolio with our team of 12 to 13 companies, so we can truly spend a lot of time with you. So what do we do to help you? We first look at the strategy. So where do you want to go in the next few years and what steps you need to take? Is it hiring the right people, going to certain markets? And then we really help you to say to which markets you have to go. So what I like to do is also make market studies. You have to go to Germany perhaps, or maybe to France, or you have to acquire this company to get that market position in that area. And that's where we really add a lot of value to you. Also, I'm more like a product guy, so I always like to scan the competition, what product features they have, what cool stuff they have, and incorporate it into your company to make your value proposition much better. So we also have an office in Hamburg with my German colleague Christoph Neuhaus. We got to know with a few exits we've made, and he's responsible for our German deal flow and like assisting our companies to grow there. We have an excellent network all over Europe and also globally, especially in the internet and software space, where we add value to make your companies more successful. So our typical investment size we do is between 3 to 8 million. Our sweet spot around 5 million. You have to do around, let's say, at least 200K in gross revenues a month. Then you become very interesting for us, but preferably much higher. We love to do syndications. For the last 3 deals we've done, we done a lot of syndications with other cool VCs to maybe help you get exposure in other areas or to gain a little bit of more market expertise. So that's our story. And we love to help you, and please come back after this presentation to me.